Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will tell you what to do if you can't log into your device using your password. So the best solution to your problem would be to try take your time and remember the password that you entered the last time. And if it didn't work and if you really can't remember your password, then the other solution would be to contact Lenovo support center and tell them about your problem, and if you prove the ownership of this device, they might also help you recover the access. But if you can't do any of this, then other solutions would be to reset your data, all data on your phone. This will remove all files from your device, but this will also give you access to it. And you can do it both by using recovery mode, and we have a separate video about this on our channel, so go check it out. But if you don't want to do this, to do anything with your phone, you can also reset all the data remotely if you have enabled the feature of Find My Device by Google on your phone, and also added your Google account to your device. Then in this case you will be able to reset all data remotely through your Google account from any other device. And these are all the options that you have, if I'm not mistaken. So if I helped you in any way, please let us know about it in the comments. Leave us a like and a comment below, and see you next time.